Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylin's credit score simulator. Let's get straight into it. So the simulator allows you to simulate changes to your credit score based on different scenarios. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. And then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the credit section by clicking on the credit tab. Next, you want to click on credit score simulator and select the simulation scenario that you want to go with. Next, you got to just enter the details, including, of course, credit utilization and payment history. And then just view the simulated credit score and report. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Moneylion's credit score simulator. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.